Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video here. I got this pretty cool toy here. Basically, this is a pen style flare and bear banger launcher. So yeah, if you see right here on the package, it says it has one launcher, 3 flares, and 2 bear bangers. And yeah, I don't know, I've never used one of these before, so this is gonna kind of be a test for me. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. It says on the back here, what does it say here? Bear bangers, height range 30 to 40 meters. Signal flares, height range, wow, 50 to 60 meters. That's pretty far. But yeah, someone gave this to me. I think this is the bear banger here. You're supposed to remove this cap here. And then you just use the pen here to launch it. This thing is crazy. It's almost like a pen gun. I don't know, I guess that's the safety, but then if you want to launch it, you pull it all the way back here, and then I think you just go, and that'll hit the pin, I think. Hit the pin in here and cause the flare or the bear banger or I don't know if there's a projectile or what is going on with these things, but you just screw it in there, and then that force of that spring going in there, it's pretty tough. To be honest, it's hard to do with one hand. So yeah, let's get this thing outside and load it up and give her a try. Alright guys, so I took the little plastic cap off and I got the pin set in the safety position there. And I'm just going to screw the cap right in there. Alright, I got the bear banger cartridge screwed in there. So I'm going to take it out of the safety position and put it into the fire position. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, there we go. So our bear banger star blazer. So it's all loaded. It's cocked and ready to go. And yeah, let's see what this thing is like. All right, guys, so there you have it. That was the Star Blazer flare and bear banger launcher, pen launcher. So that was pretty cool. It's pretty loud. But anyways, yeah, if you guys like my videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.